What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp. Today we're going to be doing a simple, very simple application with Windows Form. Yeah, so there's going to be a car rental, but this is only printing information on the screen. So that's pretty much it. Pretty very simple. Okay, so let's start. Um, let's go to our toolbar right here. Toolbox, not toolbar, toolbox. So let's get a level, put it right here, and now we're going to change it right here in text. We're going to put Tamal car rental. Tamal car rental. So we get a name right there. Cool bean, I like the name. Just in the middle. Should we just increase the font size? Yeah, let's do that. Do we need to give a back color? No, let's see, font. Let's do, it's saying 8, should we just do 16? Okay, that's better. Tamal car rental. Okay, now, so what else do we need? So we're going to need a level, the type of cars that we are offering. Let's just do another level. So right here, in this level, we're going to do the following. But before we're going to do the last, okay? Let's do the other stuff. So we need another level. Let's just copy this level right here. And then we need the text box. Okay, text box. Then we need another level right here in a text box. Let's go back. Oh, nice, that did it. So then we need a day time picker. Let's see, daytime picker. I want to copy this twice. Another one. Let's put it right here. And then let's just do this, copy this label twice. I only need this, I don't need the other stuff. Oh, come on, dude. Okay, so now let's change this. So right here we're going to say full name or just a name. Let's change that. Let's do the text name, and then right here the text box is going to be, let's just call it text box 1. Okay, now number 2, level 2 is going to be type of car. Right here let's change it, type of car. Cool beans, we got it. And there was this is going to be text box 2, I think. Yeah, text box 2. Now here we're going to say day rent. Day, where are you, day rent. Okay, right here. Day rent. And the next day return. Day, day return. Okay, that's cool. Oh yeah, we need a button too. Yeah, that's the most important thing. Button. Oh, come on, dude. And we're going to call it this button submit. Submit. And then let's give it a name. Submit. Submit button. Okay, cool beans. So we got everything what we need. So let's double click and submit. It will take us to the code behind it. Okay, this is with all the magic is going to happen, but now we need to use a load. Let's see. We need load. Let's go back here. Where are you? Ah, they were just right here. We need a load event right here. Is it right here? Let's go back over here. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Oh, right here I gotta do it. Yeah. Now we're going to find the load event. So just gotta select the whole box. Is it selected? Yeah, it is selected. My events. Oh, right here. Okay, cool beans. So let's move this right here. So right here we're going to do our text for our Lamborghinis. So just to save some time, I already have some text done. Let me just let me just copy this to save some time. So I got this, that level 2, that text. So I got Lamborghini per day, $80, Ferrari. Was that level 2? Let me check that. Yeah, it's level 2. If we run it, should just show me that level. If that's pretty fast. Yeah, I have all of that. Lamborghini per day is $80, Ferrari per day is 50, Tesla per day is 35, Bugatti per day is $200. So in the next video we're going to do a little bit of math on this. For now we're going to just print it out, all of this. Okay. Alright, so what else do we need? So let's go back over here. And now let's just work on here. So in here we will need a string text, a variable name string text. And here we're going to say we're going to have the display. Oh, I think it's text box one, right? That so let me go back over here. What is this? What name do we give it to it? So look at it. Oh, come on, where is it? Right here. Text box one. Text box one. Okay. The text. Okay. That's what we have. Now then we have a string. Card type, which is this is going to be. I think is text box 2. That text. Okay, semicolon, and then we have a string out date equals to date time picker 1, and then we're going to get those values. Go to say value that to a string, open closing parentheses, and then we just do a string again. In we're going to call in date equals to date time picker, which is going to be 2, the value, the to a string, and then yeah, and then right here we're going to have our uh, message message box that show show open closing parenthesis. So in here I already have some code that I worked before earlier today, a few minutes ago, I guess. So we're going to paste it so we can, so we get a full name, we get a text, we got a card type, and we got out date and in date. So we got four different things going on. Okay, so if we print this out, if we run the program, let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, so what will be the full name? Let's put my name, Pastor Canayo. Type of car. I want a Tesla, man. Tesla. I never had a Tesla. So what's the date? When do I want it? So I want it for the 19th. I will return it on the 31st. Let's submit. Okay, that's all I have. Cool. I have Pastor full name Pastor Canayo, car type Tesla, date rent, which is the 19th, which is the time right now, 1:10 a.m. Oh man, that's pretty late. And then we have the return is going to be on the 31st, 2024. Yeah. So our program worked. So this is just displaying information in our message box. But later, I think in this program, I wanna add this application a lot more stuff, which is going to be really cool. But hopefully in the next video we can do that. So thank you for checking the video. Hopefully this basic window forms can help you on your journey, and we'll see you next. All right. Have a good night and bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.